If your screen showed a sudden minus $50,000 on your portfolio today, would you realize your feed helped cause it? Algorithms whisper the same takes until you move late, pay more, and hold longer. We are breaking that cycle fast with case studies and a plug-and-play template. Stay sharp, real money moves you can use today. The echo chamber effect is simple. You keep hearing the same confident opinions from your circle and your apps, so you think they are facts. Then you buy late, sell late, or ignore better options. This video connects that behavior to real dollars. We will show where it bites, and exactly how to protect your accounts. Here is the trap: when your friends, favorite creators, and your algorithm all nod the same way, your risk radar shuts off. You stop sampling other prices, other timelines, or other business models. That costs profit, and it increases avoidable losses. We will replace nodding with a system for challenge and verification. Quick note before we go deeper: this is educational analysis, not financial, legal, or mental health advice. I am sharing research, public data, and a framework you can discuss with a qualified pro. You control your own decisions. With that clear, let us open the first case and put numbers on the table. Case Study 1, Meme Stocks in 2021. Many retail traders joined tight online groups, saw the same screenshots, and bought at peaks. GameStop spiked to around $483 intraday on January 28, 2021, then crashed for late buyers, with drawdowns exceeding 80% after the hype cooled. Crowds can be right short-term, but costlier when they turn late. Quick question to sharpen your filter: whose opinion saved you more money last year, someone who agreed with you, or someone who pushed back hard? Drop your answer below, and add the best example. Your comment may help another viewer avoid a loss this month. Here is a fix you can apply today: the outside-in rule. For every major money move, collect one strong signal from outside your circle, outside your platform, and outside your country if relevant. That 3-point scan reduces opinion recycling. We will bake it into a template in a minute. What happens when even professionals with data teams get trapped by internal agreement and positive reports? Real capital gets burned, jobs get cut, and investors carry the cost. The next example shows how a repeating confidence loop can spiral into large, public losses. Then we convert that lesson into a personal shield. Case Study 2, Zillow Offers, the iBuying program shut down in 2021. Internal models kept confirming each other while market conditions shifted, leading to write-downs over $500 million and an exit from the program. The company sold thousands of homes at losses and restructured. Even with data, closed feedback hurts execution. Practical tool: the Signal Audit Sheet. Step 1, list the decision and dollar amount. Step 2, write your thesis in one sentence. Step 3, add one disconfirming data point from a primary source. Step 4, add 2 independent price or rate checks. Step 5, declare a kill switch condition you will honor if it triggers. Personal finance example. If your feed idolizes luxury spending, you normalize high burn and call it lifestyle. If your feed worships extreme frugality, you miss investments that could compound. Try this reality check: move your savings rate from 5% to 15%, then automate it. At $1,500 monthly for 10 years at 7%, the gap is life-changing. Cut the noise fast with the 3 questions test. 1. What is the base rate for this claim or return? 2. What price or risk is missing from the post? 3. Who earns money if I believe this today? If you cannot answer quickly, it is noise. Archive it and move on. Case Study 3, Amazon avoids agreement traps with a working backwards process. Teams write a press release and FAQs first and invite tough objections before building, which surfaces blind spots early. The approach helped power products from Kindle to AWS, with AWS producing over $90 billion in 2023 revenue. Systems beat slogans. Build your own red team habit. Before a big purchase or trade, send your plan to one person who disagrees with you by default, and one domain expert who owes you nothing. Ask for a yes or no, plus one reason you are missing. You will catch pricing errors and hype-driven timing. Fix your feed and quotas. Follow at least 30% voices that challenge your default strategy, and pin a watch list of 5 data-first sources. Set a weekly 5-minute rotation to unfollow 2 low-signal accounts and add 2 high-signal ones. Your inputs improve, and your outputs follow. In 90 seconds, I will give you a 5-minute challenge that can save you cash this month. First, you need to see the hidden charges that get worse inside tight groups. When many buyers pile in at once, spreads widen, fills slip, and fees stack up. That is a silent drain you can measure. Example, a thinly traded asset with a 2% spread effectively charges you twice, once on entry, once on exit, even before platform fees. Inside a hype cycle, that spread can widen further. Always log the spread, the fee, and the execution speed in your notes. You are buying a price, not a story. Now to income. Many professionals anchor salary expectations to friends and internal chats. If your circle says 80,000 is top of market, but public data and third-party recruiters show 110,000 to 130,000, you are leaving 5 figures on the table. Run a cross-check before you accept. Here is your 5-minute challenge. Pick one upcoming decision over $500. Fill the Signal Audit sheet, thesis, 1 disconfirming source, 2 independent price checks, and a kill switch. If you cannot complete it in 5 minutes, you do not have enough signal yet, and you just avoided a rushed spend. Add the rule of 3 rooms to your process. Room 1, feed, collect diverse inputs. Room 2, field, run a small live test or price comparison. Room 3, feedback, schedule a 30-day outcome review. If all 3 rooms agree, you proceed with confidence and clear risk controls. Create a decision log to keep yourself honest. Columns, date, decision, dollar amount, thesis in 1 line, countersignal source link, final outcome after 30 days, and lesson. 10 minutes weekly closes the loop and kills repeat errors. You will see patterns fast, and you will fix them faster. Automation reduces echo-driven impulse. Auto-transfer investments on a set day, pre-approve shopping lists for big categories, and cap discretionary swipes by week. When you pre-commit, you shrink the window where hype can talk you into a bad price. That is how you stabilize cash flow while you upgrade your inputs. Over the next 72 hours, you will see at least 1 urgent discount, 1 hot ticker, and 1 must-buy gadget on your feed. Expect it, log it, and run the 3-point outside-in scan before you act. If it still clears your Signal audit, proceed. If not, you just paid yourself for waiting. Recap the playbook. Identify loops, run the Signal audit, apply the rule of 3 rooms, and log outcomes. Expect pushback, it is a feature, not a bug. If you prevent just 3 bad purchases a year or 1 mistimed trade, you could keep $1,000 to $3,000 in your pocket without earning a cent more. One last case-fast insight to carry forward. Bezos often insisted on disagreeing yet committing after open debate, while Apple has shipped by testing outside opinion with tight customer feedback loops. The lesson is consistent across winners: structured disagreement before dollars move. You can mirror that on any budget. If this helped, hit like so the algorithm knows to show you more signal, not more noise. Subscribe and grab the free Signal audit structure in the description. Then tell us in the comments the most expensive opinion you avoided this year, and what challenged it. Your story might save someone real cash today.